Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is quick, easy, and very healthy. So let's get right to it. So we're gonna make chicken wings in the air fryer. So basically air fried wings. So let's go ahead and season the chicken. So I bought the whole chicken wings and I've cut them into pieces, and I just added my seasoning mixture. I will leave all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. So I'm also seasoning my chicken with some oregano leaves. So this chicken is super delicious, super easy, and super quick. If you don't have an air fryer, you definitely need to get one because it's super quick, and I love my air fryer. I love wings and air fryer, to be honest with you, and french fries. Oh, so bomb. I am also adding 2 tablespoons of white cooking wine, some bitter orange juice. I didn't have lime or lemon, so I just had lemon bitter orange juice at home, so I used that. But if you don't have bitter orange juice, feel free to use lime juice or lemon juice. If you don't have either, then just use vinegar, it does the job too. So after I've seasoned my meat, I let it marinate for about 30 minutes to an hour. I didn't have that much time, and honestly, you don't need to marinate it for too long. Let me tell you, for some reason it's very much different comparing to baking and frying. I don't know why, what's with the air fryer, but it still tasted good. It was well seasoned. But yeah, I only left it marinate for about 45 minutes. So if you have more time, do let it marinate for a little bit longer. But if you don't, I'm pretty sure an hour or 30 minutes is just fine. So we're gonna go ahead and stir it. Make sure everything is evenly coated. Excuse the hole in my bowl. I was cooking and it got stuck to the pot on the stove. That's why it created this hole, so it basically got burned. Anyway, so after you've seasoned your chicken, let it marinate for an hour or so, and then let's go and start air frying. So I couldn't find the bottom grill for my air fryer. I did it just like that, and it's fine. To be honest with you, nothing happened, but don't do it like that. Anyway, so let's go ahead and place the chicken wings in the air fryer pan. So you notice I didn't use any oil or any spray. I just left it like that because chicken wings already has a lot of fat, so it will create its own grease, its own oil. So go ahead and stuff it in there, and we're gonna cook it on 400 degrees for 45 minutes. I added 45 minutes, but it took less than that actually. It took about 37 minutes. It didn't take the whole 45 minutes. So after you put it in there, you're gonna check it twice. After 20 minutes you check it, and then you add whatever sauce you're gonna add, and then you check it, you put it back in there for another 15 minutes, and then you check it again. So this is after 20 minutes. It's almost cooked. Go ahead, give it a stir, flip it sides, and then put it right back in there for another 15 minutes. So this is after 15 minutes. You can see the color. It's pretty nice, right? It's beautiful. This was just after that. So it really took 35 minutes, 37 minutes. And it looks super yummy. It's crunchy and also juicy at the same time, which is just crazy to me. So this is my second batch I was making. Second batch? Whatever, I don't know the word. Oh my god, I can't speak. This always happens. So anyways, this is the second batch. Just is that the right word? Okay, so I after 20 minutes I opened it and check it and flip it side, and I also added some sweet chili sauce because I love my sweet chili sauce, and put it right back in there for another 15 minutes, and then that's it, you guys. I'm telling you, get an air fryer. It's so amazing, so quick, so healthy. It's the new thing. Okay, be a little progressive. Air fryer is the new thing. This is the final result, you guys. You see this? You see the color on it? It looks like it was baked. It looks like he had just boiled it in the stove for 2 minutes. The color is just beautiful. It's juicy and a little crunchy at the same time. Well, not really crunchy, but it's very tender. It was really, really good. So I really hope you guys give this recipe a try. And also, that's the first batch, so I just did it, dip it in that little sweet chili sauce. If you don't like sweet chili sauce, use barbecue, whatever sauce you like, use that. And I'm telling you, it's very amazing. It's so amazing. It tastes really great, and I really hope you guys give this recipe a try and also get an air fryer. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon in the next video.